Hey, what's up mga lodi natin dyan? Good morning! Ito po ang ating video for today mga idol. Isang viral video. Let's go mga idol. Charmer and John John.
Para sa mga nakaalala sa kantang to at nakaalala sa amin. Dalawang estudyante.
Ayan.
Nagbayaran. Parang yung lahat.
You know our love was meant to be. What? Kind of love that lasts forever. Wow.
And I want you here with me. From tonight until the end of time.
You should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. 'Cause baby, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration.
Wanna have you near me? I wanna have you hear me say yeah. No one needs you more than I need you. Oh,
Sino po nakaalala sa kanila mga idol is sila po ang nag-viral na talagang dalawang estudyante dati mga idol. Ang galing ng boses. Panalo. So in love when we're together. Now I know.
now I know that I need you here with me. Yeah.
From tonight
Oh, yeah.
till the end of time. You should know.
Need to know.
Everywhere I go, always on my mind. You're in my heart, in my soul. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration.
Wanna have you near me? I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I.
No one needs you more than I. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan mga lodi? Palakpakan naman natin ang dalawa nating nag-viral.
Wanna have you
Ang
near me?
lupit
I
ng mga
wanna
batang
have you
to.
hear me say it. No one needs you more than I need.
No one needs you more. You're the meaning in my life.
You're the inspiration.
You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. When you love somebody till the end of time. When you love somebody,
Always on my mind.
no one needs you more than love.
When you love somebody
Till the end of time. When you love somebody,
always on my mind.
when you love somebody.
Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga hanggang ngayon po sumusuporta sa amin.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, maraming
More
salamat
powers.
po. More
I'm
powers.
Jammer Junril Vlogs.
Idolizer Jem.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.
Ayun po mga idol, narinig natin ang dalawang ito ang nag-viral dati mga idol. Talaga namang sino nakaalala sa kanila. Malupit sa malupit. Pag kumantang tong dalawa mga idol. So para sa akin mga idol, na-amaze ako at talaga namang please palike and subscribe ko sa ilang YouTube channel. Supportahan po natin. So guys, kung i-rate ko po ang kanilang performance, nasa mga 9 mga idol. So please comment down below mga idol kung ano po ang inyong opinion regarding sa kanilang napakalupit na viral video. So hanggang dito na ko mga idol, maraming salamat. Basta may dugong Pinoy, talagang malupit sa kantaan yan. God bless mga idol. Ingat po lagi.
I tried so hard and got so far.